Good morning. I know I'm having to report once again. It's a glorious Thursday. It's a bit cloudy, but that's the way I like it. Nice and warm. We're down to t-shirts and thongs, mate. Getting all the cool gear on. Come on. Anyway, today's cooking lesson. Cooking with Menda. Anyway. What you'll need a, oh shit. What do you call that? Oh, a jigsaw. An angle grinder. Pair of scissors. Pliers. A stick. Some sandpaper. Bit of wire. And a bit of grey matter. Anyway, what we're building today is a homemade honing tool. Yes, for those who cannot afford luxury tools to go out and hone, we'll be making one of these. All we're going to do now is fit it like so. I'm just going to trim them ends off. There's a little bit of pink to go in the cylinder, so I'll just trim them off. Hit the power button, get some lube, and away we go. But there you go. Menda's homemade honing tool. I dreamt that up last night in my sleep. Woke up this morning, had a cup of tea. Bada boom, bada bing. Built. Alright,